Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the top stories. Mismanagement in IFFI cost Lakshmikant Shedgaonkar dearly. ASG forgets to provide delegate pass to renowned Goan director. Lakshmikant misses red carpet as organizers inform him late. Multiplex versus producers controversy resurfaces at IFFI. Multiplex is responsible for decline in box office collection, says Manmohan Shetty, blames multiplexes for increase in piracy. Film Bazaar commences. Filmmakers demand more time for film business. Universities should focus on employability, says President Pratibha Patil. Goa University honors President with D-League. Goan Ranji cricketers in an upbeat mood ahead of away games against Jharkhand and Tripura. And SAG Executive Director V.M. Prabhudesai confident of a solution for GFA versus GCA clash over Nehru Stadium. Now the news in detail. Renowned Goan director Lakshmikant Shedgaonkar became the first victim of IFFI's mismanaged affairs. The Indian Panorama opened with Poltor Sumuni's organizers forgot to issue him an entry and car pass. He even missed red carpet as he was not informed on time about the event.
Indian Panorama opened with internationally acclaimed movie Poltorso Muniz by Goa-based director Lakshmikant Shedgaonkar. Ironically, organizers failed to provide him car parking pass at Inox. Shedgaonkar had to park his car at a distance from Inox Multiplex and had to walk quite long. On top of everything, he was not given IFFI delegate pass too. Surprising, right? Film director is not taken care of for his own movie premiere show. Anyways, Shedgaonkar was kind enough not to make it a prestige issue.
ऑर्गनायझेशन हॅसल्स असतात आणि जे पहिली असताले आणि आताय असतात ऑर्गनायझेशन पण सिन्स इट इज माय गोवा अँड आमचे गोंयचे लोक सो आय थिंक इट इज ओके अँड आय कायंड ऑफ म्हणजे हांव असो विचार करता की अजून गोष्टी जाग्यार पडूंक ना ती हळूहळू पडटले सो मे बी फुडल्या वर्सान ताच्या फुडल्या वर्सा आनी मातशें ऑर्गनायज जातली फेस्टिवल.
Poltorso Muniz was a houseful show. Everybody appreciated the movie.
Our best movie in Konkani film, actually one of the best Konkani movie I saw ever before.
गोयच्या पुतान एक बरें अशें फिल्म केलां म्हणजे बरें अशें म्हणजे हिंदी मुवीच्या तोडीचें अशें एक फिल्म आशिल्लें.
The movie has come out with a very good artistic form. It's a beautiful art movie and I will love Goa has got a very good future and Goa can do and prove themselves that we have a original own identity.
A reporter from Panchi Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Ganesh Hotkar for Prudent Media.
Hindi cinema has seen a sharp decline in revenue in last couple of years. President of Film and Television Producers Guild, Manmohan Shetty, has blamed multiplexes for this decline. Shetty hinted that multiplex culture is responsible for closure of single-screen theatres. He also blamed this culture for increase in piracy.
As per figures released by Manmohan Shetty, year 2000 blockbuster Gaddar and last year's mega hit Ghajini earned same revenue at the box office. But Gaddar attracted more audience than Ghajini. Gaddar managed to earn higher revenue only because of more single screen theatres at that time. Manmohan Shetty owns chain of multiplexes across India. But he says multiplex culture has reduced cinema going audience in north of India.
If we added 2,000 people in the multiplexes, we lost 10,000 people who paid that low price and we made them not affordable to see a film. So they would buy the cheap pirated DVDs or VCDs, whatever is available, which is piracy, which we have pressurized them to go for that market because they can't see the film anymore. Single cinemas has to be re-looked into, that business has to be re-looked into because we are losing the business.
But Wahida Rahman has supported multiplex industry.
Since the multiplexes have come, it has opened up the venues to make all kind of movies. देखिए मकबूल बनी, इकबाल बनी, ओमकारा बनी.
Manmohan Shetty was speaking the Big Picture conference organized by Confederation of Indian Industry on Monday. At the same conference, Goan filmmaker Lakshmikant Shedgaonkar was felicitated by Chief Minister Digambar Kamath for his cinema success. Filmmakers raised concern for growing piracy. Government says they are doing their role to control the piracy. Secretary for Information and Broadcasting Ministry Raghu Menon said film industry also needs to start anti-piracy campaigns to control the menace. A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar, with video journalist Anil Sanadi.
Filmmakers participating in the Film Bazaar at IFFI are seeking more time to establish business relationship. Film Bazaar is held only for 3 days every year from 24th to 26th of November.
Film Bazaar is a platform by National Film Development Corporation where national and international filmmakers come together for business. Filmmakers at the Film Bazaar in IFFI are not satisfied with the 3 days time spent for Film Bazaar. They feel that some more time is needed for an interaction and relationship building with the film fraternity.
3 days is very less time to interact across the globe, but still if we have a time management fixed from 9 to at least in the evening, late evening also, I hope something good will happen for international players as well as Indian makers.
Well, I mean, 3 days is fine, I guess, because you get to interact with people and you know them, and then you start interacting over the emails and all that. Because if you keep on doing more, then we'll miss out good films in the festival, So 3 days is pretty good,
Managing Director of NFDC Neena Gupta says that as of now, 3 days are enough, but as Bazaar grows, they would like to have the time spent increased.
As it grows bigger, we might look at more days, but to start with, markets normally don't last very long. They normally are of a shorter duration all over the world. And 3 to 5 days is an acceptable format.
What was the target to achieve?
The target to achieve is to position Indian films internationally.
On its first day, an audiovisual presentation on Knowledge Series, digital distribution for web and mobile was presented by Chief Operating Officer of Cinetic Rights Management, Janet Brown. Film Bazaar will conclude on 26th of November. Our reporter from Panji, Devidas Kamri, with video journalist Maruti Talwar for Prudent Media.
We'll take a short break here. More news after the break.